This isn't gas. This isn't charcoal. I'm cooking lunch over a hole that goes straight down to a magma chamber. Welcome to the most dangerous kitchen on Earth. If you woke up here, you'd assume you were on Mars, or maybe the set of a sci-fi movie where everything went wrong. But this is Lanzarote. I'm Ashley, and standing right behind me is El Diablo. It's a restaurant that shouldn't exist. Seriously, the floor I'm standing on, it's hot. Like melt your sneakers hot if you stand in one spot too long. Most chefs worry about running out of propane. The chefs here worry about the sleeping giant beneath our feet waking up. Today, we're going to see how engineering genius Cesar Manrique turned a geological threat into the ultimate sustainable barbecue. Let's get inside. I'm starving, and the earth is preheated. Okay, look at this. It looks like a medieval torture device, but it smells like Sunday roast. This is the Vulcan grill. Here's the science part. Don't click away. It's cool, I promise. 6 feet below this grate, the temperature is steady at 400 degrees Celsius. That's about 750 Fahrenheit. There is no fire down there, no wood, just residual heat rising through the rock from a magma chamber a few kilometers down. When they decided to build this place in the 70s, architects Eduardo Caceres and Jesus Soto had a nightmare. You can't dig foundations here. If you dig, you hit extreme heat instantly. Plus, the ground is soft volcanic ash. So, what did they do? They improvised. They laid 9 layers of basalt rock, super hard volcanic stone, basically floating the building on top of the lava field like a raft. It's engineering judo, using the volcano's weight against itself. But does magma-cooked food actually taste good? Or is it just a tourist trap with a great view? Here we go. Magma chicken. Okay. Wow. You know how gas grills sometimes give food that weird chemical taste? And charcoal is great but heavy? This is clean. Intense heat searing the outside instantly. It locks the juice in. It's the best convection oven in the solar system. The sulfur smell outside doesn't transfer to the food. It's just heat. But speaking of the outside, we need to talk about the water trick. If you don't believe how hot it is, watch this. This is just a bucket of cold tap water. That is instant evaporation. The water hits the hot rocks, turns to steam, expands, and has nowhere to go but up. It's the same energy cooking my lunch, just a lot more violent. Cesar Manrique, the artist who designed this whole concept, had a rule. Don't hide the landscape. Frame it. El Diablo isn't just a restaurant, it's a statement. It proves we can live with nature, even when nature is a terrifying volcanic wasteland.